Alright, so here's my electric lawnmower again. Made some upgrades to it. First of all, I want you to look underneath. This has two blades on it. Cuts a lot better. You can see it's just a cross design. Put a piece of rubber in between there to create some friction. As you can see, it is cutting pretty good. There's the uncut grass. It does sound a lot smoother too. And it is balanced, so there is no vibration. Well, let's try it. It's a lot smoother. Still runs at 1725 RPM, but it cuts a lot better. Here we go. Sounds a lot smoother, cuts a lot better, so I don't have to go over it twice like I used to. There it is. Still going. See the blade down there. Coast for a little bit. But it runs good. So that's all that's been upgraded. See you then.